This is REALME C55, and in this video I will show or share top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin with, I would like to show or demonstrate that you can set up the fingerprint unlock screen unlock method. So launch settings first, then go for the passwords and security category, tap at the fingerprint, continue. Choose what backup screen lock method you would like to go with fingerprint. I'll go with pattern, let's say. Then very quickly set up the backup screen lock method. And after you do that, you can start adding your fingerprint. As you can see, the sensor or scanner is located at the side power key. So simply lay and lift your finger onto the scanner continuously until the entire surface of your fingertip will be scanned. Alrighty, so the fingerprint was successfully added. Now let me just go ahead and test it out, see how it works. So it works decently, I would say. The following option you can find at the display category, or display and brightness to be precise. It is called the screen refresh rate, and you can set it to be either 60 or 90 Hz. So long story short, the higher value gives you more, or rather silkier and smoother screen animations and overall visual experience, since the screen updates way more times each second. But it comes with the downside, or it comes at the expense of draining more battery. So decide what is more important to you, either having as much power as possible or battery as possible, or having the more pleasant visuals, or you can actually set it to be at the auto select mode and to let the system automatically decide what is the best refresh rate value for any given situation. The following tip, or the following option that I wanted to show, is rather a small one. That's how you can display the battery percentage at the status bar. So open the settings, go for the notifications and status bar, then status bar. In here, open the battery percentage menu and choose whether you would like to have your battery percentage inside or outside the battery icon. The next tip is how you can change the home screen transition animations if you are bored by the default animation that you have. So in here, go for the transitions and choose whatever animation you find the most pleasant, or the best simply. So I'll go with roll, and that's how it looks like in action. Alrighty, the fifth and final tip for today, that's the tip that is performance related. So that's how you can, the last tip is about how you can improve your system performance. So go into the additional settings category of, settings tab, and then enter the memory extension, or excuse me, I'm taking that back. Go for the, or enter the about device category, then tap at the RAM section. In here, in order to enable this feature, turn this toggle on, and then simply choose how many gigabytes you would like to increase your RAM for. After that, in order for those changes to be applied, you gotta reboot your device. And after your system gets restarted, you will have an opportunity to, use more apps simultaneously without slowing your system down. And basically, the core of this feature is that it basically allocates the respective amount of storage, so 4, 6, or 8 gigabytes, and uses them as kind of a virtual RAM, helping the actual hardware RAM that is installed inside the phone frame to do its job. So that results in improved performance. And to be more particular, because improved performance is a very generic term, or a very generic statement rather, it just will make it so that you will be able to use simultaneously more apps and keep more apps opened and active and working in the background without your phone freaking out too much. So well, that's a good thing to have for sure. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.